How to log into Huntington Bank online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Huntington Banking online. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and simply search for Huntington Bank. After you do that, you can then see the online banking options right here. If you're using a mobile, you can go to mobile banking login, or if you're just logging in into online banking, you can just go to this page. So you can directly go to onlinebanking.huntington.com, and after you're here, you can simply type in your username, whatever your username is, then your password. After you do that, tap on the login option and then log in into your account, and that's how simple it is. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.